Hi, it's Sandra here from Create in Spain, and today I have a very simple but effective Valentine card or anniversary card to make. It does not have a sentiment on the front, so you could use it for either. Now I have my base card, which is white, and I have made a frame from mirror silver card, and I've put that on there already with double-sided tape. So I'm going to put that to one side for the moment and show you the front of the card. I have some watercolour card here, simply because I happen to like the effect it gives. But it could be plain white card. I picked out one of the patterned cards that I really don't like, and I use that to act as the base for my foil, because if I'm not going to use it normally, I might as well use it where it doesn't show, and it makes life a bit cheaper. So I want to put this back on here. Now I deliberately designed it so the file has made this back piece here just a little bit smaller than the front of the card. It makes it easier to stick on without getting any bits showing on the front where you don't want it. But in order to stick it on there, I need to do something else first. I have a little heart cut out with a little hole in it, and I've threaded it up with some silver thread. Now, you don't have to have silver thread. You could use white, or you could use like fishing twine, which is colourless and that sort of thing. Anything you've got that isn't going to show too much. And making sure that I've got them around the right way. This is what I want to do. I'm going to turn my front panel so that it's face down. And I'm going to turn this heart so it's face down too. And I want it to nestle in that little point there, but I still want it to dangle, which is why I put thread on it. And so what I need to do is to get some glue or adhesive tape and put little dots on those two parts of the larger hearts. And keeping that in place, just going to put some glue over there and some glue over there. Now, if you're worried about it moving, what you can do, because I'm just going to leave this to dry, is put some tape here, just some washi tape or something, to make sure that those bits don't actually shift. But I'm going to leave it alone now until it's dry. I've got other things to do and come back to this later. So I've given this little amount of glue time to dry, and I've also put some double-sided tape around the outside edges. Now what I want to do is to add a little more glue, but I don't want to put double-sided tape in because it's going to be a bit of a pain. So I'm just going to add some dots of glue to the hearts and a little bit of glue in various strategic places where I think it could probably use it, but not a vast amount, just little dots. And then what I'm going to do is to take my plain watercolour card and place it over the top, and because it is slightly smaller, it makes it a lot easier to place. Then when we turn it over, we have our little dangling heart exactly where I intended it to be. And then we can simply put that onto the front of the card. Now I have a little bow, a little white bow, but I was going to put a bow there and I wanted to make a silver one, but I didn't actually have any silver, very fine silver ribbon, so I didn't have it. So I made a white one, but I really don't like it. So what I will probably do is put something else on there, which I need to have a look through my stash and see what I've got. But I'm just going to put some double-sided tape on the back of here and then stick that onto the front of the card. So here is the finished card, and I think you'll agree it's attractive, it's obviously a romantic card, but it's not too fussy and it's relatively quick to make. I just think it looks really nice and quite a classic design. Hope you like it. The file will be linked below, and don't forget to check out my other card making videos. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.